Illinois man charged with killing 2 men and wounding a third during unrest in Kenosha last year is set for trial next month.
But in a Kenosha courtroom today, attorneys for Rittenhouse were seeking to have a self-defense expert testify at that trial. Stephanie Haynes now live in Kenosha with what happened today. Stephanie.
Charles and Carol, the judge has yet to rule officially if that self-defense expert can provide testimony at trial, but the judge said he's leaving the door open. Today, we got a glimpse of how Rittenhouse's defense attorneys could make the case for self-defense for his trial in just a few weeks. Kyle Rittenhouse back in court for another hours-long hearing on Tuesday. His attorneys presented to the court their expert witness on self-defense. Dr. John Black is from Oregon and zoomed in. He has previously offered his opinion on several other cases involving police use of force. He testified he has closely watched the videos from the night of the unrest, which show the shootings in which the 18-year-old is charged. He said the crowds, sounds, and some other factors are part of the context of what happened.
You've reviewed this for whether or not Kyle's actions were reasonable under the self-defense law of Wisconsin?
That's correct, under the Wisconsin statute.
And do you have an opinion as to that to a reasonable degree of scientific certainty?
I believe the actions comport with it, and that self-defense as described in the standard, not speaking as a legal opinion, but I do believe that they were reasonably necessary.
Rittenhouse is charged with fatally shooting Joseph Rosenbaum and Anthony Huber, as well as wounding Gage Grosskreutz. Prosecutors argued they don't believe this expert testimony is necessary, and they pressed Dr. Black during cross-examination for what constitutes as self-defense in that situation. Or in other words, would Rittenhouse have been justified to fight back in a way that didn't involve a gun?
Is it your opinion that Mr. Rittenhouse would have been reasonable and justified to use deadly force against Joseph Rosenbaum?
If Mr. Rittenhouse did not have the weapon.
If there was no weapon present.
Right. And given all the other facts as seen, there wasn't any other big fighting or kick to the head, correct. I would argue no. It wouldn't be a reasonable response.
Defense attorneys wanted the judge to drop the illegal gun possession charge, but the judge says that one stays. Meantime, Rittenhouse is due back in court October 25th, and jury selection still set to begin November 1st. Live in Kenosha, Stephanie Haynes, TMJ4 News.
All right, Stephanie, prosecutors have charged Rittenhouse with multiple counts, including homicide, attempted homicide, and being a minor in possession of a firearm. As Stephanie reported, today's hearing is scheduled to continue on October 25th. Jury selection is scheduled to begin November 1st.